$197.5 billion in deals in 1 month. While everyone's crying about the economy and potential recession, the middle market is just quietly catching fire. If you're not positioning to buy or sell right now, you are asleep at the wheel. Today, we're gonna break down the latest Q2 2025 report from Fold & Company on the US middle market M&A. It's an actual article. You can go ahead and look in the description and click the link below. Super short article. Trust me, this isn't just good news. It's a wake-up call. Guys, deal values surged from $143.3 billion in April to $197.5 billion in May. That's not a fluke. That's a wave. And if you're building a business with even the faintest intention of selling one day, you better be listening. So let's get into it right now in 3, in 2, in 1. Welcome everybody to the show. My name is Vince Perri. I'm your certified exit advisor, business broker, entrepreneur, and I'm here to just educate you guys and take a look at some articles and videos, give you some reactions and exactly what's going on in the industry today. Before we get into what we're going to talk about today in regards to the M&A market and how it is booming, I want to make sure that if you are a business owner, you own a business, and you're at all thinking about exit, there's 2 things that I want you to look at in the description. Number 1 is the VCR roadmap. VCR roadmap is basically a small ebook where you go and I teach you everything that you need to do, everything that I actually advise, that people pay me for to actually walk them through. You can go ahead and walk through it yourself with the free ebook that we've got down there. It's a guide and takes you through exactly what you really need to do to accelerate the value of your business and do it fast. And then also you could take an exit readiness assessment, 90 seconds. It's all it takes. I think it's just 20 questions and you just click and it goes to the next one. And then it gives you your whole score as to how ready your business actually is. And if you're confused at it by all, or you want more of a description, you could book a call with one of our advisors and we could just walk you through the whole thing so you have an understanding of where you're at with your business. So, and then subscribe to the channel, of course, so that you don't miss any of the videos and share it with everyone. Middle market mergers and acquisition, also known as M&A. It's booming, people. I think everybody knows this. Serious buyers see opportunity where others see uncertainty. The question is, are you a buyer? Are you a seller? Or are you just dead weight? So let's talk about a client in early May. All right. $8 million in revenue. Great margins, but they were frozen. We're waiting for the market to stabilize, they said. Meanwhile, their direct competitor got snatched up by a private equity firm for 9.5x EBITDA. That's crazy, right? Why? Because they weren't waiting. They were ready. They were ready. That's why we've got the exit readiness. That's why we got the VCR. Guys, I can't tell you, just have a conversation with me. Have a conversation with one of our advisors. You just want to make sure that you are ready, that your books are clean, that your systems are tight, that your KPIs are tracked. That's the game. You should be building your business exit ready from the beginning, guys. I call people all the time. One of the things that I do, guys, this is behind the curtain here, is I do sales calls. I'm always calling business owners and I'm finding out where they're at. And it just baffles me sometimes about, no, we're not ready. It's like, it's not about being ready for exit. It's about being ready for when that time comes that you are already ready to go. Exit strategy equals good business strategy, guys. From the beginning, make sure that your systems and operations are tight. You got customer diversity, good social capital. Just make sure that you've got it all ready to go. Have a conversation with myself or one of our advisors and we'll help with that. So Fold & Company, this article here, that we're talking about, it's one of the most trusted competitive intelligence firms in the world. They just confirmed it. Buyers are back, deals are getting done, and if you're not positioning your business, you're going to miss the window. This is to the sellers out there. This is to the business owners. The buyers are out there. Private equity is running rampant. They're all over the place and they're looking to snatch up different companies in different industries. And guys, just a reminder, you don't have to sell your business 100%. You could sell a minority stake. You could sell a majority stake, get influx and really scale the company and get 2, 3, or 4 bites of the apple. So let me tell you exactly the 3 forces that are fueling the M&A surge. Number 1, consolidation is accelerating. This is the age of the roll-up. What is a roll-up? Larger companies are sweeping through fragmented industries and grabbing smaller to mid-sized businesses to eliminate competition, boost operational efficiency, and capture more market share. So if you're in HVAC, roofing, logistics, legal, or even SaaS, look around. Chances are you're already seeing roll-ups happening all around you. If your business is profitable, it has systems in place, and you're not tied to every daily task, you are a prime acquisition target. But if you're disorganized, no one's coming to save you. You need to make sure that you are ready from the beginning because the roll-ups are happening. Now, that's not private equity. The roll-ups, like I said, are other large businesses that are taking over the small ones in strategic buyouts. Guys, it doesn't have to be looked like as such a negative. Look at it. This is not about creating monopolies. There's enough business to go around. It's basically a reward for you having built something so airtight and profitable and successful that you are being rewarded. And again, there are options. You don't have to sell the entire business. But number one is definitely the fact that consolidation is accelerating. Number two, let's talk AI. AI and tech. Ooh, they're going to make you sexy, guys. Let's get sexy. Listen, AI isn't just for software startups, guys. I don't care if you're in plumbing, HVAC, or whatever, you gotta be using it and make sure that you're automating everything as much as you can. It's for every business that wants to scale and wants to scale smart. The businesses getting high multiples right now are the ones that are using tech to boost their margins and reduce dependency on human labor. Here's what that means. You've got a CRM that tracks every lead. You've automated your onboarding. Your reports are dashboards, not spreadsheets. You're using AI to cut waste and boost speed. Buyers want to acquire businesses, not just babysit them. And they want to make sure that they are AI and tech friendly, so a lot of the operations are automated and run by themselves. If tech runs your systems and you're not the bottleneck, you're more attractive, which makes you more sexy, which gives you a better multiple. And ultimately, you could command a premium. So AI and tech is making you sexy. Make sure you're on it. Number three, cash is back. I mean, cash has always been there, but cash is back in the game where there's a lot of cash to be given away right now. Private equity firms are sitting on a lot of money, okay? They've got a lot of investors. It seems what I see a lot of is that next level for the multimillionaire, if they don't want to be running their business anymore, they get into one of these private equity funds and they start looking to buy up businesses. And they're buying up anywhere from 1 to 3 businesses per year. Strategic buyers have pressure from boards and shareholders to grow. So what do? They buy. Fold & Company's report, it shows that the deal value jumped up by over $50 billion in a single month. That's not just a rebound, guys. That's a feeding frenzy. And here's the kicker. They're not buying fixer-uppers, okay? They don't want to start from scratch. They're buying polished, process-driven, profitable machines. That means if you want a piece of the action, guess what? You've got to level up your ops, you've got to clean up those numbers, and you got to build a leadership team now. Make sure that your business is ready. So that reminds me, just to remind you, to go into the description and take the exit readiness assessment. It takes 90 seconds. It's a few questions. You'll get a whole score and breakdown and description as to why you got those scores. And if you have any questions, you could book a call with myself or one of our advisors, and we could explain everything to you. Also, the VCR roadmap, that's a whole guide. It's basically an ebook where you could just go ahead and really get everything that I actually coach or consult to my clients, and it's just more of a do-it-yourself, and you could really accelerate the value of your business pretty fast. So let's recap, guys. Based on the Fold & Company article, M&A is surging in Q2 2025. Consolidation, okay, is happening all over. Tech investment and deal volumes are at all-time highs, and if your business isn't exit ready, guys, you're sleeping at the wheel. So real quick, your homework, it's just going to be simple. Like I've reminded you, download the Value Clarity Roadmap. That's going to help you a lot. Take the exit readiness assessment, takes 90 seconds. And I want you to start thinking like a buyer. Even if you're a seller, all right? Make sure that you get lean so that you're more profitable. Get efficient, okay? And get your systems on point. And a little bonus, make sure that you use AI. Yeah, so what is it? Consolidation is accelerating. AI and tech make you sexy, and cash is back in the game. They're buying out all over the place. So that's what we got, guys. Go ahead and read the full article, Fold & Company report. The link is in the description. These guys are the real deal. I read it. I use it. You should too. So go ahead and take a look at it. And that's what we got. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with everyone. Follow me on social media. And that's all we got this week. We'll see you next week. Peace out.